$199 WYZE Robot Vacuum with LIDAR. Pretty excited to try this guy out. I think it's going to be very good. Will it be on par with like a Roborock? I really hope that it is, because at $200, this could be probably the best vacuum you can buy for the money. So we're definitely going to put this thing through the test. We're going to do a normal test first, a stress test, a full house test, a mega stress test if it does a good job at that. We'll check out the app. We'll check out how well you can label rooms, if it has no-go zones, all that good stuff. Check out how big the dirt bin is in this video. This is going to be an unboxing, and then the next video will be testing of the robot. So pretty excited to get into this guy. Let's just go ahead and get in. 200 bucks for a robot vacuum with LIDAR. That, I think this is the first. I don't think there's ever been one that's at the $200 price range. Alright guys, here's the pretty plain brown box, but for 200 bucks I can let that one slide. Yeah, it's not very much info on it at all. The model number is WVCR200S. And yeah, let's check it out. Come on, WYZE, be a good robot. I really honestly hope this is going to be a really good robot. 200 bucks for LIDAR. Like, come on, this is going to be awesome. Or it's going to be a disaster, and I will tell you on this channel. Let's go ahead and check her out. Of course, get the good old manual. Probably will not need that. Protection. Always have that. Robot itself. Here is the charging dock. Quite a different than most other docks. Most of them have the charging points at the bottom. This one, the robot pushes into it and it charges like so. So cool design, definitely slimmer overall. Doesn't have that big plate at the bottom. So that's pretty cool. I like that they changed it up a little bit. Power plug, of course, to charge it. We have an extra filter. That's always appreciated. It looks like that is it. No extra, unless it's under. It might be under, but no extra side brushes. Although I'm kind of assuming it's under. Let's find out. Pull out the robot vacuum itself, and I was right. Wrong and right, actually. Let's go ahead and set all this aside. Oh, actually, I guess I kind of was right in the beginning, because these are not installed yet, so you only get the two. But once again, at 200 bucks, if it's a good robot, I can fully excuse that. Protectant for the bumpers, of course. And the famous LIDAR system, which I think by far is the best navigation on the market. This one is rear mounted. The Roborock is in the middle. And here's the contact points for when it connects to the charger. Here is the brush roll. About the standard size. Let's go ahead and install the side brushes. Okay, once again, see, sorry about that, but this is only a single side brush, so it does come with an extra brush. I was thinking it was dual, but it's only a single. Pops right on very easily. Sometimes I think the single side brush does better than the dual, because the dual on hardwood will just flick it everywhere. I think the dual is better on carpet, but on hardwood I think single's better. Let's check out how big the dirt bin is. Lift up this flap. It does come with a cutting tool, which is nice. So if you got hair wrapped around the rollers, very easy to slice and pull it out yourself. And then we got the dirt bin. Not the biggest. It's probably on par with the Roborock S4. Open it like so. Cool. And let's go ahead and turn it on and see what kind of noises it makes. I'm really hoping this is good.
Turning on.
Yeah, you are. Cool. I like the looks of it. I like, for some reason, the LIDAR on the back looks kind of cool. And I really like the black finish. It's really nice. So I think this is going to be a very good robot. I really hope I'm right. And then this will be the robot to recommend everybody. If it does good with the app, the map it makes, if you can tell it to go clean certain rooms without a problem, and so on and so forth. The problem these cheaper robot vacuums have is the map and the app. Some of them can make maps for you, but the app is so bad that you can't even really tell it to go clean a certain room, and they just make it very hard to completely make a map of your floor plan.
Start cleaning. Vacuuming has been paused.
Yes, it has. All right, well, there's the unboxing, a little bit of info. I'm gonna download the app and I'll have that running next. I'll show you how to set up the app and what it shows before it does a run. And then we'll see it after the first test on the first run, how well the map looks. We'll even compare it to some other robot vacuums that claim to make a map, like that Mary robot vacuum I did previously, and then like the Shark IQ and the Shark AI. And then we'll compare just the difference of how good LIDAR really is. So I'm really hoping strongly for this guy. Let me know down in the comments right now if you think it's gonna be really good, or do you think $200 is just a little bit too cheap. And last thing, the feel. I mean, this is a good 10-pound robot. It feels really solid. I really do have high hopes for this guy. Come on, WYZE. Let's do it. All right, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. The review will be next, and have yourselves an awesome day. See ya.